Step 6 assembly frames. Here, main frame. You can see this shelf all is for 4 borders because it's 45 degrees bevel, and this shelf inside support horizontal and longitudinal. Insert the connector in the corner. This one is a connector piece. Make a connection stable. Screws inside the connector. Just few minutes. A small window frame, main frame done. Here is fix the glass. Here is a window sash, including glass sash and the nets. Here is also fix the glass. Area for sash, we put the sealing strip. The window where we fix the glass, we need decorative strip. This area makes subframes. Same as the main frame, but it's much more easier because it's just 4 borders. Glue, corner connector, and 2 level of seal strips. Small one first and a big one after. After main frame and subframe both ready, we put here and assembly them together. This is the end product from Step 6.